قد جاء مهديكم وظهرت آية فاسعوا بصدق القلب يا فتياني.
Gentleman here in the front row.
Hundreds of Ahmadi Muslims in Pakistan have been killed simply on grounds of faith, whether it's in their mosques, their homes, or places of business. How can Pakistan inculcate a culture of tolerance when your own constitution and laws explicitly target Ahmadi Muslims, making it a crime punishable by 3 years imprisonment or by death under the blasphemy laws for an Ahmadi to call themselves a Muslim? Isn't it time Pakistan repealed these laws and ended its state-sponsored persecution of Ahmadis?
Okay, I'm embarrassed to be a Pakistani when I remember the fact that the white in our flag represents the right of minorities, and Qaeda-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, even before August 1947, said that you are allowed to go to your mosque, you're allowed to go to... It is not the business of state, he said, to question your religion. I'm embarrassed that we've done to minorities what we've done in Pakistan. I will accept it.
So just to be clear, in terms of policy levels, things like a Pakistani goes to get a passport and has to declare that Ahmadi is a non-Muslim, that's an outrage, is it not?
I think that is completely unrequired. That's my personal view.